Yeah, she is very emotional distress. Okay, you're gonna have to be the.
I would have made like 50 different stupid jokes already if I was.
Okay.
Are we really doing this?
We're going to mommy's house. Yes, we're gonna get something to eat. Even though she's like, yeah, but she was the one that was telling me to go there, else I would have went to fucking Caribbean.
I mean,
and buy my fucking food. Where we gonna go?
She gave me Bigfoot.
Wait,
so
I don't even know if I pressed record. Can you check and see if it's recording?
It says record.
Oh, okay. Ooh, all this wind, girl. Yes.
But
honey,
it's really warm out.
It's so fucking warm.
Even though I think I have something on my face right now.
Where?
No, I think I took it off.
What? But I want a BB off of crush.
Where?
I
need some nose rings. I like the hoop ones.
States, girl.
My sister hates.
You're going to America.
Listen, my sister hates the fact that I wear hoops.
No, I love the hoop.
No, my sister hates it. She tells me I look like a lesbo.
No, you don't.
Or something.
I would tell you. You know, I would tell you.
but it like I think it looks cute. I mean,
I don't mind it. I want the one that goes here.
No, I don't want the bull. I'd rather wear the bull when nobody else is wearing it.
Fashion-ish.
Yeah, no,
like, you know,
like the really fancy Julie one.
Yeah, like that's the ones that I want. I don't want to.
I don't even know.
I did want to pierce it.
I don't even know if this is on us. By the way, maybe.
I think so. As long as your arms rested right there, it should be okay. You know, just push it out a little bit. You know, like make it touch like the mirror. It should catch us.
We'll catch you. I don't know about
yes, honey. Yes.
No. Every time she sees it, because like the only reason I never even got the hoop one to begin with, after a while, is because she kept telling me I look like a lesbo. But then I'm not even ready to go home because home is the last place I want to be. I called this bitch yesterday and where was she? But let's not get into that because I'm good.
Piece of shit!
Oh my god, there's children around. She looks so cute too. She was wearing a ladybug rain jacket.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, can I have kids? Can I have kids?
Can I have kids?
I want to have kids.
I think we're gonna be pregnant at the same time.
I want to have kids, like
because the struggle is so real right now to get so pregnant. So I think we're gonna be pregnant at the same time. I don't know how I'm going to manage you at that time because like I'm gonna be fucking hormonal and you're gonna be fucking hormonal and I already can't stand you. So it's gonna be
we don't get along, but for some reason we're still friends. Oh, her skirt is going up. Damn it! Do you have Zoom?
Yeah,
her skirt. Oh.
Yeah, we gotta do like a 411 on how to work the camera.
This is the first time I'm holding it. Like, what the fuck?
Lies. You held it at Scarborough Town Center. And that ratchet ass mom.
Nah, but I was holding it, but I didn't have to do shit. But like I want to catch that. Like that's like a thick chick with like Marilyn Monroe kind of like.
Yes,
you know?
honey, she's wearing a pink dress, girl.
She was. Oh, it's still going up. She's not. Her dress is not pink.
No, I meant the name brand. It's pink.
Oh. You seen that much?
Yes,
because like
it's
the way
in bold letters.
The way it was blowing up, I couldn't catch that. I'm sorry. Like what?
You guys, I feel really nice. Red nice.
It's like
right now.
I don't even know what time it is, but I'm not ready to go home because it's still light outside.
No black zone. No black. Whoa. No black zone.
I hope this is. I hope like I don't know. This camera setting is gonna be really bad because I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Because like I don't know if it's on you or if it's on me or if it's in the middle of us, so like it catches our shoulders.
She's not chopped right now. This is just how she talks all the time.
Oh.
Yeah, like don't invite her to your sleep parties because you won't sleep.
At all.
At all. Like emphasis on the all.
I almost cried. I don't cry for movies. I almost cried. I'm like the last person to ever try to cry for a movie. Like people tell me they cried for this movie. I'm like, the fuck is wrong with you? Like, is it that sad? It could have been sad though, but like I'm just not that.
Like what gas did this guy put in his car? No fucking gas, and he's telling me, oh, don't drive on my gas. Like he probably put like $10.
This breeze feels so good. This breeze feels hella good.
Like
wants
me to slap him. To slap. How can you slap? You want me to slap you?
You're so dumb.
Ah, Abego. He don't know, eh?
Abego.
He don't know. He doesn't know what is coming for him about marriage. He don't want to marry to me.
Oh my goodness. Marlon said, oh. Like, when are you getting married?
Ireland said not no, not
ever, not to anybody in
not
this
to
country.
anybody in this country.
That killed the fuck out of me. Like I'm just
Yo, is it dumb, bro? Like, who are you talking to?
He's like, not to anybody in this
And then
country.
I go in the room, and then he starts dying, and then all the bun starts flying on me. Like, he's spitting on all the bun on me. But oh, don't let me dash the hot tea on you. Like Negro, are you dumb? Is this yo, I'm here.
Like, what the fuck? Like, it's like windows up, bro. Like,
hey, move from there so you damn Chinese pitney. Move.
oh, I love this song. Why are you talking?
Move.
But no, seriously, they're gonna get married.
Yeah, we are getting married.
4
years?
I'm gonna be.
I know people that be together for 5 months.
I'm gonna be a bridesmaid.
Hell yeah.
And I'm gonna talk inebriated.
Huh? English?
Inebriated.
What?
Inebriated.
What's
You've never heard that?
What's
when you're drunk.
Intoxicated?
But you've never heard the word inebriated?
No.
Really?
No.
Oh my god, I have to look it up for you. Could you hold it?
I gotta study my dictionary. Hey guys. So we're at my mama's. Yeah, girl. This is where the turn up be all the time. You know what I'm saying? This is where the turn up be all the time. I see something. I see something. I know, yo. I can't wait, yo. Fuck.
Like, the breeze is not even cold. Like, I'm loving it. I should make another slit in my skirt. I actually like this slit. I can feel the air.
You go. Oh, her toes are actually done.
Shut up.
Wow.
Stop watching them.
Oh my god. Like, the struggle is so real. Yeah. And you're fucking laughing at her and look at you now. Holy shit. Well, yeah, because yours has legs. Hers was short. And hers wasn't even that short. It was like past her knee. So we're gonna go back to Driftwood Fish and Chips because we're back in Driftwood. Yes, girl. This is where I was born. Well, not here exactly, but this is where I live for a majority of my life so far. And yeah. So we're gonna go back to Driftwood Fish and Chips. We're gonna go get some food.
And probably talk about the tournament.
To eat. I don't know, last time he dealt with me proper still. He gave me honey garlic wings instead when I asked for hot. So, you know, he was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, you don't. It's like berry. Heavy. You understand?
I'm getting the wings and the fries, but okay. What the fuck happened to her phone? Like, I hate calling people and they don't fucking pick up where their phone. Oh.
Too much. Like, she's a very angry person all the time.
I'm not.
Hi, Miss Jen. Alright, what do I want? So this is Driftwood Fish and Chips. Yes, it is Driftwood Fish and Chips. And
is it the 4-piece we always get?
probably 3. 3 is $4. 4 is $4.75.
Over there. The 3.
3 wings and fries.
2 wings and fries.
Yeah.
Sauce which one?
Can I get barbecue?
Barbecue on the fry.
Ketchup and mayo.
Okay.
Ketchup and mayo and hot sauce.
Ketchup and hot sauce.
Yes.
Same thing.
Okay, so 2 of them.
Yeah, separate. Here's one.
So together?
Separate.
No, separate.
We don't have the light else. We just get parted all and have a big fuck.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm nearly ruined my relationship with the damn parted all. You understand?
3 wings and fries together.
But yo, when I get paid, yo, holy shit, oh god. Business and chins thing, yes, we're gonna use it. So what are you guys doing today? What did you guys eat today? Nothing? Oh, that's sad. I should do some groceries. I haven't done grocery shopping in like...
It's funny that you're talking about groceries and like you haven't even done it yourself.
That's what I'm saying. I haven't done grocery shopping in like...
What have you eat this morning? I haven't eaten anything.
Well, what I ate this morning was some saltfish with some cabbage and some pak choy and some carrots And what else we mix up in there? Yeah, and that me eat and it tastes well nice. I eat them ital food because you see this? I'm not breathing, you understand? You can see it? I'm not pregnant and it look like me I breathe like it look like, you understand, like it have to go. It's not cute anymore and I don't deserve to be this fluffy. I don't deserve it. I never did anything to anybody in my past life, in my future life. I never do anything to anybody in my present life. So I don't understand why they're punishing me with this gut and this belly. So it needs to go. All my legs, them, they're just big and tough and fat. You understand? It's not right. Make money every day. Bubble for me. Barbecue, not honey garlic.
No, you shake this. I'm just like, I don't like doctors that feel like they don't know what they're doing. Like, I don't like fidgety people.
Yeah, like, and people that have to go to like books and tell me like what is what, like, okay, what. And look how long, no,
that's
make sure you mark this one because this one has less salt, not too much salt. Look like you're gonna drop fries. Does that make any sense?
Did you show them how long it was? You're so dumb.
This is a fry that she made me drop, okay? It's so hot right now, if you guys could only know. Like, is she dumb? Oh, kiss her on this idiot gal Tiffany had. Twirl! 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 Gone with the wind, fabulous. Yes, we are, honey. Thank you. Bye, Miss Chin. Make money every day. Oh God, bubble for me, yo. By the time summer done, you know, I'm not gonna have no toenail because it come like some always want to scrape upon the ground. Like, I don't understand.
And those are the real ones, right?
The real ones? Oh, my real toenails.
You know,
they have other ones over here. Hi, Mr. Chin. What do I want to drink with my room? If it doesn't turn over by the time. Crushed pineapple, that sounds pretty good, actually.
Oh, you've never had it?
No?
I've had it because of Anisha.
Oh, and then there's crushed peach.
That sounds good.
I think I'm gonna get that one. Hurry up, my girl,
Is it all of the one that you poured in there?
Yeah.
Oh. So you have to, you're gonna, but we have to, I wanted to get some more.
Well, I mean, if we finish early, I mean, the store doesn't close until what?
Whatever.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll just bring it for us for work.
125, 125.
125, 125.
Lollipop?
No.
No?
No. I have a lollipop at home, but I have to eat. I'm not trying to get fat, okay?
All together.
Oh. She spent 125 on me. Oh my god.
You're so dumb.
Oh my god.
I'll hold my lollipop because the next thing you know, I forget it.
Bye, Mr. Chin. She spent 125 on me. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to say. She's so... Wombo clot.
Like, mix up?
No! The bridge? Oh my god. Sorry, one day in the summer we'll go from my house over here.
Can we kiss on the bridge?
Sure. So we're in, yo, it's toxic. We're in the elevator right now and somebody pissed. Not in here.
I don't know if it's just piss, like it smells like mixed with shit.
But like in there.
Oh.
Get out. Do you see it? Like in there? Yes.
This is not even fresh air, and I'm just like...
I feel it in my throat. It's so toxic, it's unbelievable.
Oh my god. I thought I was gonna die.
Oh.
Is that for all gone?
Nothing.
Is your mom alright?
Yeah. Alright.
Like it was the end of life.
He called me Zeffy, yeah? Zeffy. He didn't even catch that.
No, I
walking over to him
oh my
still.
God, it's a plane. Can you imagine being on that plane right now? Like, just knowing it's going somewhere warm. Earth's probably going somewhere really cold. That doesn't look like a plane that's going somewhere really fucking cold. It looks like it's going somewhere warm.
Okay, that plane is landing. That plane is gonna land. It's going to the airport.
Oh, I thought, where's the, oh, is that, oh, I thought the airport was that way.
No, the airport is that way.
I thought it was, oh.
Bye, Felicia.
I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with the area. But still, it's probably coming back from like somewhere really warm.
So we're just chilling like a villain, you know what I'm saying?
Really good out here though.
Wait, what? Wait, I didn't understand. Oh, give you. She needs to go home at my house. It's her home. Isn't that funny? She be paying rent? Or no? So you go work?
Yeah, how the fuck? That's how I work.
Chris
You
Norman.
don't know what I do?
No,
I do renovation.
no man. You don't have to come out the door and make me see you them way there. You understand?
Why? I'd like to see a man in uniform.
No, that is not no uniform.
I mean, this is my work.
That looks like house clothes.
What? House clothes? Industry contract.
Chris, look over here. This man. Yo, I'm sorry guys. I don't know how to do this vlogging thing properly yet, you know?
You need like a cameraman.
Right? Like I do. My dad was like, how are you recording and you don't have no camera people? I'm like, are you dumb? Like, I didn't reach those things.
Like 16-year-olds with like lights and like the white backdrop in their room and lights shining on them when
Don't
they
worry,
do that
girl.
shit.
I'm going to get to that, okay?
What?
When AliExpress started taking Visa debit again, I'll be buying all of my shit. Girl.
Yo, like, I'm like, what? She's like 16. Ugh.
We're just, you know, like as Chabas would say, we're just doing it for the vlog. Yes.
Who? Trebas?
Chabas? Andrew. The audio.
Oh, I seen the one with him and his girl on that ride.
Oh, the slingshot? It was so funny because Diani was like in the beginning, like she seemed like she was so hard, like she was gonna be like, you know, like he was like, yo, like she was laughing at him, like when it took off, like her face.
He was like this. I was like, what the fuck?
Yo, Chabas TV, big up yourself. Anyway, you're there.
I'm like, nah, man, you have balls. You have fucking balls to get on this shit. I would never.
Jamaica to the world. Oh my god, it's so funny, guys. He's fucking hilarious.
I would never.
Girl, bye.
Oh my god.
Find these damn car keys. Oh, I gotta take out the garbage too. Yes.
I could never survive. Is the door open? Yeah. Don't lie to me.
I thought it was. I pressed it open so many fucking times.
Travis.
Why? Door where you take me? When where you take me door go?
Yo, the bag like flew on my foot. I thought I was gonna trip. This one with the pink hair?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
It's working. It seems fine. you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, you guys! Tiffany. Yo, you guys, my camera just fucking
turn up the window. Before I brushed it, and like.
Holy shit! Like, it sounded like its neck broke. Like, bro, I thought it was smashed. Oh my god! You guys, my fucking camera just fell. I fucking forgot it was there. Yes, like, when did you put it there? When I got in the, when I opened the car.
Barely.
Yo, warm to that blood.
Hey, look like a white man still, but.
Jesus. Oi. If you not cross, you not rip and cross. You understand? Don't take my time. I don't have it.
They're so. That must be you.
Fucking school pitney.
Fucking like no other.
Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them. You and he gotta tell them. Don't tell them. You and he ain't gotta tell. Come to the Indian lady.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hello, it's a mix.
Oh, it's a CD. Oh, I didn't even realize. I thought it was a radio.
It's the promo CD for the party, girl.
For this party?
Yeah.
Ah.
Fucking Mexicans. All these different fucking races.
White man, China man, Indian
lady. That one is a Mexican lady.
Mexican woman. Same.
I'm touching you tonight. Oh shit, that's Marlon's friend. I just met her.
Oh, you know her?
I just met her the other day.
Do you know him? He's staring in here like. He looks tiny.
That's so funny that I just met her. Like yesterday. No, yesterday was literally the day I
the
met
dude
her.
that was looking in the car.
Yeah, chat about man. Me, I chat about the lady.
But he was staring in here like he knew you. Can he see you? I think you know like every black person.
Who are you?
Do you know her? What is she, Chinese?
Of course, I get her bum.
Like no bum. It's like, how do your clothes stay up sometimes? I should stop. No,
that's why their clothes stay up sometimes. I mean, all the time. Look here, look a boy. Go Westmoreland. Gone pan and money campaign. $1 trillion.
There's another one.
What?
It's a sign. I need to go away. Like, I've seen like 3 planes already.
Speed on it, I'm on up. Speed on it, I'm on up. All the way with the road, so speed on it, I'm on up. Speed on it, I'm on up.
And there's another one.
What you say? I'm okay. What you say? I'm okay.